Hey, what's up guys, in this video I'm going to show you that how you can know if someone has hacked your WhatsApp account on your mobile phone. So let's jump into the video. What you have to do, first you have to open up your WhatsApp. To see if it is hacked or not, you have to click on this three dot bar icon in the top right corner. Please guys, make sure you watch the full video and follow every steps that I'm going to show you. So after clicking on this, you have to go to on linked devices. You have to click on this. Then you will able to see that if your account has been logged into another device or someone has logged into your account from another device. So this is my device, Google Chrome Windows, and this is the other devices. So there is the two device that I'm now currently using. So if any another device is currently logged into here, you will able to see here, then you will know that your account has been hacked. So if not, your account will be secure forever. So after that, you can see this is the way guys, and you can see the messages. If you turn on the two-step verification code, you will receive a message, verification message here. You can see, check that. If there is no message, that means your account is secure and not hacked. So this is the two way guys, that how you can check if your WhatsApp account is hacked or not. I hope you find this video helpful guys. Please leave a like on this video and subscribe my channel for more video like this. Peace.